Are you experiencing error code CE-1128440-6 on PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check the code. If you are getting CE-1128440-6 while redeeming a code on PS5, then this can happen due to server issues. But before you proceed to troubleshoot the network issues, make sure you are entering the code correctly. Even a small typo can cause the code to be rejected. You can also attempt to redeem the code on a different device, such as your phone, the PlayStation website, or a PlayStation 4. This can help determine if the issue is with your console. Method 2. Restart your router and modem. The next thing you can do is restart the router or modem. To do that, turn off your router and modem. Wait at least 5 minutes. Turn them back on now and check if that could resolve the issue. Method 3. Restore licenses. The next thing you can do is restore licenses. To do that, head to Settings. Then select Users and Accounts. Then restore licenses. This can fix network connection errors that might be causing the issue. Method 4. Check PlayStation network status. When you cannot connect to the PlayStation server, check the PSN status. To do that, visit the PlayStation network status page. Confirm if PSN services are active and not undergoing maintenance. If the server is under maintenance, wait for some time till the server is up and live again. Method 5. Check for updates. Next, you should ensure that the PS5 is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Method 6. Choose a wired connection. Consider using an Ethernet cable to directly connect your PS5 to your modem or router. This wired connection often delivers a more stable and faster internet connection than Wi-Fi, which can significantly enhance your experience with online gaming, streaming, and downloading large files. Give it a try and see if it resolves the connection error. Method 7. Change the DNS settings. The next thing you can try is change the DNS settings and see if that helps. For that, open PS5 settings, then select Network, then select Settings under Network. Now select Set up Internet Connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network, then go to Options and select Advanced Settings. Scroll down to DNS settings, select it and set it to Manual. Now set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once done, select OK. Once done, head to the network page. Now select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. Method 8. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to PlayStation support page for further assistance. State your problem and follow the on-screen guide provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it, the methods to fix the issue when you are getting error code CE-1128440-6 on PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Check out the description below for links to purchase the tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.